Hello boys and girls of nursery, it's me Mrs. Sarhan and welcome to today's fun activity. We are going to get ready to go for an adventure today because we'll be making our very own binoculars. Binoculars are like telescopes but it has two lenses. That means that we'll be able to see things with our two eyes. Now binoculars help us to see far away objects and we can adjust the focus of the things that we see by turning the knobs. Binoculars are the perfect gadget for travelers and adventure seekers because it is significantly smaller than a telescope and it has a string that allows us to hang it on our necks. So what are you waiting for? Let's make our very own binoculars.
You'll need tissue rolls, white glue, a hole puncher, a pair of scissors, a string, and any kind of paper that you want to decorate your binoculars with. We'll begin by putting glue on the side of the paper that will stick on the tissue roll. And then we'll put some more glue on the tissue roll so that the paper will stick to it. Put lots of glue. You can also put glue on the paper if you want to. Now, once you're happy with it, start rolling the tissue roll on the paper. As you roll, the paper will stick to the tissue roll because of the glue that we have applied earlier. Now press it firmly so that the paper will stick nicely. Cut the excess. And then use a little bit of glue to seal the edges. Press it down nicely. Now if you've noticed that there is an overhang, just fold it so that it will seal nicely. Now let's repeat the process with the other tissue roll. So put some glue on the paper, brush some glue on the tissue roll, and then start rolling it. Add some more glue if you need to, and then cut out the excess. Now let's put some holes in our binoculars. Put one hole on each tissue roll. It's okay if you don't have a hole puncher. You can use a skewer for this. Now it's time for us to stick the tissue rolls together. Put lots of glue on the opposite side of your hole. Remember to put it at the opposite side. You might notice that I'm putting it at the wrong side. My tissue roll has two holes in it, so that hole is actually covered. Now stick them together firmly and wait for it to dry.
Once the glue is dry, it's time for us to put a string on our binocular. So get a string. Okay, I've got an orange string here. And measure it around your neck. So I want my binoculars to be until here. So using your fingers, put them together. Get a pair of scissors and cut it. Okay. Now let's attach the string to the binocular. So do you remember the hole that we did earlier? So this is where your string will go. Put one end of the string here. Okay. Then create a knot. It's alright if you don't have a hole puncher, you can use a skewer to do this. Right, so I'm creating a knot, make it nice and tight so that the binoculars won't fall off. So let's make a double knot, right, and do the same thing to the other side. And now carefully snip the excess string. And there you have it, your very own binoculars. Try going around your house and use these binoculars to explore. Tell us what you can see. Now you don't have to decorate it the way that I did it. You can paint on your binoculars, you can draw on your binoculars. You can also put stickers in your binoculars. It's all up to you. I hope that you will all have fun in doing this activity and I will see you all again next time. Bye for now!